All right, it's been a whole day. Let's see how it turned out. I'm so excited. Ooh, looks like silver. Uh-oh. Part of it ripped. Why is that? These are supposed to be super durable. Oh no, look at that. Wah, wah. Expired urethane. Ah! All right, so back to the drawing board. I gotta clean up these molds. I gotta get some new Task 16 that's not expired, and we're gonna try all this again. All right, we're gonna close up the mold and inject this. Okay, once I mix this, I've only got 6 minutes to put it in the syringe and inject it fully and cap it off. It's pretty tight. Clock starts now. I can already tell the color is way different than the previous. This has more of a light tan color. The other stuff was like almost dark brown. I don't know if that's enough. I probably should have mixed more. Ugh. It's not coming out the ends yet, and I'm almost out of material. Oh, there it goes. Probably should have had this ready, huh? Okay, now all we gotta do is wait and see if it turns out a little bit better than the last time. Tell you what though, can't be worse. Okay, moment of truth, let's see if it worked. I can already tell that this is gonna be way better because the top puddles right here are not tacky at all. Last time, they were extremely tacky. Still super bendable though. Let's see what we got. Come on, come on. Now it does have a totally different look because I didn't put the black dye in there. I wanted to see how it turned out first. I don't want to waste all my black dye. Oh yeah, this is way better. Way better. Look at that. Let's clip these little stems off. There's still one little issue, and we kind of predicted it, and that is not quite enough urethane. Just a little bit shy of having enough. But check this out. And this should harden up a little bit more as time goes on too. So you can see the difference between the one with the black tint and no tint at all. Big difference. So we're definitely going black tint, and we're gonna do this 6 more times.